In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble our Venom 110cc mini Madix front bumper. So first things first, we're going to grab 2 golden nuts and 4 bolts. We will also need a 10 socket. So we're going to want to align, slide the bolt through and grab our metal or our golden clip. Once it's in the back, we grab our 10 socket on our drill. And just tighten it just a bit. We're going to want to do our second side while we're at it. Just slide it through in the back. Grab our bolt, tighten it just a bit. Then we'll go to the bottom. And last one. We're going to want to tighten every single one. And that is how you assemble the front bumper of our 110cc mini Madix.